beginning drivers tend to tailgate. You see me keeping space to my left, to my right. In fact, I'm in the middle lane. The lane to the right is the curb lane. Cars can be pulling out. The left lane, people could be driving much faster. We have a warning sign. We have a regulatory sign. You as a beginning driver need to master these signs. Let's talk about driver's education. High schools originally were teaching driver's education as an actual class before school, during school, or after school. You would actually get a credit that would count towards your graduation. But now, due to economic cuts, people are definitely losing that fact and not able to take driver's ed. So what I need you to do is stay safe and be aware. And when you're out here driving, you really have to look, you really have to prepare and live and be authentic. We now have a regulatory sign, a stop sign. So we want to come up and stop for 3 seconds, 1001, 1002, and 1003. Then we continue. And we want to maintain good speed and be safe. I will be talking to you later. This is a quick, short video. Bye.